Then go ahead and unplug this clock. So to do that, just flip it over, push in the tab, and get that unplugged. Okay, now there's going to be 2 Phillips screws in the top right and the top left. Then you just want to gently pry. If you have a pry tool, you can wedge it in the side. Now with that pulled out of there, you need to unplug your hazard and your rear defrost, as well as the cigarette lighter along the bottom. Now that's out of there. As you can see, we unplugged the cigarette lighter along with these 2 buttons here. Then to remove the climate, there's going to be 4 Phillips screws. Then you can kind of angle it out, slide that out of there, rotate it around, then pinch down on the tab and pull out the 2 connectors. Then if you want to remove the radio, it's going to be 4 Phillips screws, so you need an extension or a really long screwdriver. Go ahead and remove those. And this whole unit will slide forward. Here on the back, just pinch down on your receiver antenna and your other plug. And then there's 3 additional power connectors where you just push in on the clip and unplug them.